Hi friends, I'm Shreya. Through today's video, I will show you how to make a simple necklace in the simplest process. Hope you like this video and everyone will try to make this necklace. We will make this necklace using two types of pearls. We will use size 6 mm off-white pearls and size 10 mm crystal. First, we will tie that 6 mm size pearl tightly using nylon. Then add another 6 mm size pearl and a 10 mm size crystal. Then I will add 9 pieces 6 mm pearls one after the another. I will add a 10 mm crystal. In this way, I will continue to add 9 pieces of white and a crystal for this channel. After doing this process 5 times, keep watching and learning how we make jewels using only hands. Please comment what type of jewelry you like and love the most. Step by step we will proceed, keeping one bead of front crystal and one bead of back crystal. We will move the chain from the last end to the previous end by 9 pieces again. In this case, we have also used off-white 6 mm pearls. Look a little better at the back of the chain that I have made. We hope you can understand how I made this necklace. Please subscribe our channel for making such beautiful and simple jewelry. If you like this simple necklace, please like and comment. Please support Diyartiepie by sharing this video. Keep watching and learning how we make jewels using only hands. We have made a necklace. Thank you so much for watching our video.